creating presentations using PowerPoint is outdated.
However, in this video, I will show you how to convert an old-school PowerPoint presentation into a modern presentation.
You can use it for your work, educational purposes, or even creating content for social media.
Early presentations in human history used whiteboards and overhead projectors. In the 1980s, more than 40 years ago, presentation software like PowerPoint was developed for computers. However, it still required humans to present and explain the presentation. Now, in the era of artificial intelligence, Synthesia is introducing a new way to create presentations with digital human avatars and voices. Synthesia even allows you to convert your PowerPoint presentation into a modern presentation that is easier, faster, and less expensive to create. And you have to adapt to this change.
Part 1. Synthesia AI. Synthesia AI, as the most popular AI video generator, has added many features to its platform. One of them is cross-platform integration, allowing you to connect or use other platforms or formats within Synthesia Studio. Platforms like Intercom, Notion, Shopify, and many more are supported. Today, we will demonstrate how to integrate PowerPoint format into Synthesia Studio with easy and fast step-by-step instructions. If you don't have a Synthesia account, go to the Synthesia AI website. You can find the link in this video description. Create a new Synthesia AI account by clicking the Create Account button and selecting Create Account Now under the Personal Plan section. You can continue the registration process using your Google account or any email address. Part 2. Import PowerPoint. After you've finished creating your Synthesia account, log in to the Synthesia AI dashboard. Click the New Video button and select the Import PowerPoint menu. Click Browse File and select your PowerPoint file. Then, click Import PowerPoint to bring it into Synthesia Studio. In Synthesia Studio, your imported PowerPoint may appear slightly blurry, but don't worry. The output results will match your original file's quality. This is done to reduce image size and make the editing process smoother and more lightweight. You can duplicate or delete unwanted pages by right-clicking on the scene panel and selecting Delete for the current scene. You can also customize opacity and blur percentage from the right panel. Part 3. Add AI voiceover. Now, let's add AI voiceovers to your presentation. Open your original PowerPoint file on your local computer using Microsoft PowerPoint or the free Google Slides web app. Copy text from each scene and paste it into the Synthesia script editor. Click on the voice option to choose your AI voice actor. Click the play button to listen to the current voice selection and find the voice you like best.
PMENTMEETING.
Sales and Business Development Meeting.
Repeat these steps for all scenes. You can add breaks by clicking the pause button to insert a 1-second break into your script. You can also add additional script to make the presentation more engaging and easy to understand. Click the play button to preview your current voiceover.
Thank you for joining us today at the 2023 Sales and Business Development Meeting.
Part 4. Add AI Avatar. To add an AI avatar to your presentation, click the Avatar button and select the desired AI avatar. You can adjust the avatar's size and position to match your presentation objects. You can also choose to use a circular avatar or voice only if you prefer. Part 5. Add media. You can add media into your presentation, such as text, shapes, icons, images, or videos from Shutterstock. In this example, we will show you how to add media from your local computer. Go to the Media menu and select the Upload Media button. Choose your media to upload it, and if needed, you can add on-enter and on-exit animations. Part 6. Add music. To make your presentation more engaging, activate the music option on the right panel and select your desired music from the Shutterstock music library. You can adjust the music volume and enable the loop option. Move to the next scene and activate the music option there as well.
Thank you for joining us today at the 2023 Sales and Business Development Meeting.
Part 7. Scene Transition. To add transitions between scenes, activate the Scene Transition option on the right panel and select your desired transition style. Part 8. Render. Once everything is set, click the Generate button. Enter a title name, choose whether to include captions, and click Generate to start rendering your AI video. After the rendering process is complete, click the Options button and select Download to download your AI-generated video. You can also download video subtitles if needed. Here is the result of this AI video tutorial.
Thank you for joining us today at the 2023 Sales and Business Development Meeting. Objectives of the meeting:
Sales report.
Profit by sector. Target expansion. Our focus will be on diversifying our customer base, with a particular emphasis on entering the Southeast Asian market.
Thank you for watching this AI video presentation tutorial. See you in the next artificial intelligence video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support my work. Bye-bye.